Welcome to Tiger Mom's Kitchen. Okay, today I'm going to show you something. Okay, look over there. That's the dumpling, but it's very big. I'm going to show you everybody how to make like this. This I bought it from the Chinese Hong Kong supermarket. Green scallion pancake. Eggs. This is very little shrimp. Why am I using this? Because I don't use salt. That's natural sea salt inside. Very small shrimp. That's called chives. That chives I will cut. Pancakes here. Okay, now we're gonna put oil first. Small shrimp we put first inside of the oil. Fry a little bit. See, you can see the oil start boiling and they very quick it's getting brown. We're gonna adding the egg. We'll mix together. Now we're gonna adding the chives. We've been cut it 2 times, 3 times. Adding a little bit sesame oil. Now pancakes getting soft. It's easy to cook because when you took it off from frozen, it's hard. We need it soft. And then we're gonna adding inside. We're gonna fold it together. That's why I said we gotta get it soft and then start to cook. It's very important. You're not going to leave anywhere open. That's a big dumpling. Come up, and then we're gonna cook. Now the pan's very hot. We're gonna add in a little bit of oil. Then we're gonna put a big dumpling inside. We're going to cover it up. Turn the stove low. I'd like to come out yellow or brown. Look nice, not burn. 10 to 20 seconds. You're gonna turn over. We're gonna turn another side. Ooh, yellow, but not done yet. Just put a little drop of water. The water going to dry. No more sounds come out. That means you gotta turn it or take a look. It's done. Now it's done. Wow, very crispy. That's the big dumpling with the chive and the shrimps. You like to try? Very delicious.